Hello and good afternoon. My name is Robin and this is my channel. So today I'm unboxing, I believe it's my July selfie box. Still trying to catch up. So if you are new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Please hit that subscribe button if you like this type of video. I do unboxings of skincare, makeup, clothing, lifestyle boxes, you name it, I will try it. And if you're returning, thank you so much. I appreciate your loyalty. And yes, I got my hair cut. Because of my age, I am starting to thin out. So I went and had it cut today. And then on Monday, depending on when I post this video, I'm gonna have it colored. But yeah, I don't know if it's the medications that I take or what, but it is just coming out. So I decided to go have it cut. And she did this really neat trick. She used a towel and she just curled it. So it'll probably never look like this again, but it was kind of neat to watch her do it. And also, for those of you who don't know, I have a daughter that lives in Germany. She's not in the military. Her and her husband decided a couple years ago they just wanted to work in Germany and just travel around. And of course, this was way before the COVID hit. But now they're able to do things in Germany. And my son-in-law turns 30 next month in August. And so she is planning him, and I know he doesn't watch my channel, but they are going to Greece for his birthday on an island in Crete. And she sent me the link with the hotel that they're staying at and the town, and it's right on the water. So how nice would that be, just to pack up and go to Greece for your 30th birthday? So that's just kind of what's going on in my life. And of course, we are leaving next Tuesday to go to Sturgis for 3 weeks. We're going to travel around. We're going to go to some parks and ride the bikes through the parks. One is, I always forget the name of it. Is it Yellowstone? But we're just going to ride through bikes. So I'll have a ton of pictures to post after we do that. And don't worry, I will not be posting pictures of Sturgis, just G-rated pictures. So let's get into the box. Now I have canceled, because I'm going to be traveling so much, I've canceled a lot of my boxes. So this is the last selfie box I got till I get back to Arizona. But it is $25 a month, and I have a coupon code, I think, for $5 off your first box. So I will leave that below. And it has some makeup and mostly skincare. And there's a card in there. And this month, we only got 4 products. Usually we get 5 products. So we only got 4. And they put in some pretty color things in there. And the first thing I'm going to grab that I can't grab is 3 Ships Lip Treatment Kit. Now it says it's a kit, so I'm thinking there's more than just one item in here. Oh, there goes that box. And I am horrible with boxes. Horrible. So there is a vanilla lip exfoliator, and look at that nice bottle. And oh, there's another product. And then there's a 20% off card. I thought there might be a scooper or something in there. And then there is buttercream hydrating lip mask. So I don't know if you do the lip mask first and then do the exfoliator, or the other way around. But look at these nice products. And it has instructions on there. So maybe one of these days when I get to do a Mask Monday, I can use that. I keep saying I'm going to do it, and I have yet to do it. And that retails for $28. and it's great for cracked lips. The next item is Define and Highlight Brow Stick. And we've been getting, I think in all the boxes, whether it's BoxyCharm or Ipsy, because I watch a lot of videos, they've been putting brow products in there. And I don't complain because I always misplace them. And of course, can't get it out of the box. No surprise if you watch my channel, I do have major box issues. Okay then, so I just wanted to see what it looks like. So how you guys all doing? Do you have plans for the summer? If you have kids, are they going back to school? Are you gonna homeschool? I know from watching a little bit of the news, it's still kind of up in the air. Oh, look at that. See, this is why I wanted to get it out of the package. The package is fully destroyed, but we do have, it's like two-toned. So maybe one is for under the brow and one is for the brow, but that is really pretty. Don't mind the nails. I am up here in Washington in a small town called Cle Elum. And I think they have like 3 nail places. One is, you know, one of those that they have, you know, a couple people working in all the different nail stations. And I think 2 are just a one person. They just have one person that works there. All of them were booked out for 2 or 3 weeks to get your nails done. So I couldn't get my nails done. So I've got the stuff to do it myself, but I'm waiting till after I pack, after I clean everything up. So you got to put up with the nails. But this looks pretty cool. And the Define and Highlight Brow Stick retails for $14. So this will be road tripping with me because I like that. And the next product is Audiography Skin Coconut Milk Serum. Ooh, that sounds good. And this retails for $33. Tightens, moisturizes, and brightens your skin with Audiography's light and soothing coconut milk serum. It's infused with hydrating potassium, rich coconut milk, and I was looking to see if you use it, you apply after cleansing and toning, 1 to 3 pumps. So you can probably use this day and night. And let's check out what it looks like. Ooh. It's very smooth. And it's a pump. And this is very nice. So yeah, it's traveling. It's a traveler. And then the last product is Skin Chemist Rose Illuminating Glow Peel Off Mask. And of course, we always get a lot of masks. And, you know, rose can be a very overpowering scent. And of course, box issues. So it comes in a nice tubage. And you can actually smell the rose from outside the packaging. Now the problem I have with peel off masks is you put them on, I use an applicator, but they peel off kind of blotchy, so like I could be peeling off for days. I am willing to try them out, but I can never just like peel them off. But I am willing to give it a try, but it does have a very strong rose scent because again, I can smell it from outside. It's like getting a dozen roses where I could just smell it from the outside. I'm not mad at it, but because they always leave you clean and refreshed, but I'm not crazy about getting a heavy rose scent in my products. And that is $55. So that was $55. The serum was $33. The lip treatment was $28, and the brow stick was $14. So it's definitely worth the $25. And I says occasionally they'll put a makeup item in here, which would be the brow stick. So this is a really great box. As I said, it's not too heavy on makeup, mostly skincare. So let me know what you thought. Leave me a comment below. Hopefully you guys are having an awesome week. This is Friday when I'm filming it, so hopefully I'll get it posted soon. And as always, you guys have an awesome day.